Hi, my name is Kate and I'm CPO at PingMi. So let's show me how PingMi works. So we want to accelerate decisions across teams and stakeholders. So let's imagine that developer, for example, asked me, Kate, product manager, for example, a question in Jira. So let's create a question and let's see what happens. So this question appears right in PingMi. Also, team member can add question from MS Teams or, for example, from Slack or just manually in PingMi. So I don't know how to answer this question, so I want to share it with stakeholders to answer. But first, I want to edit this question. Let's add some options to answer. Option 1 and option 2. Here we are, question with options. And I want to share this question with my stakeholders. So I just select this question and tap share. Here I can set up reminder in order to be notified if someone forgets to answer my question. Let's set up in 4 hours and save it. So this link is copied. So let's see how it works from stakeholder side. Stakeholder can put email and name and see a list of questions. For example, one question, do we need to use protocol or not? Let's tap this and answer. Okay, answer is submitted. Let's see what happened in PingMi. So open it up, answers. Okay, I got one answer about this question. Also, I want to share this question with my team. So let's copy it. Okay, and if I open a link with answer, I can see question, date, and answer. Also, how can I know about the new question or answers? I can send, for example, set up Slack report or, for example, email report. So let's see how it works. Okay, I got report from PingMi, and I can see, okay, I have new one question, and I can open this question and see what's new in PingMi. So that's basically it. But let me show you also what we have, what we are developing for now. So we want to not only accelerate questions, but we want to also accelerate ideas and initiative across team. So now we are developing idea that we can add any idea from Miro to PingMi. And it will be like idea backlog, where you can see a list of ideas with a source and with prioritization. So you can select idea and send it to prioritization for your stakeholders or for your team. And they receive, like this question, they will receive a link with option to prioritize. For now, we use RISE prioritization. So you have idea with source and you need to prioritize it based on like reach, impact, confidence, and effort. You can select all these parts, save, add your comments about this idea, why you prioritize it like this or like that. And you will see RISE prioritization in list in order to focus on prioritize idea in order to avoid conflicting priorities. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention and hope to see you soon. Bye.